is it? Nope. 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 Eh. Closer. No. No. This is it. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you see today, I'm about to be washing my car up. She hasn't had a wash for a couple months now, probably. Or a month, actually probably a month. So we'll go out there, we'll get her washed up a little bit. Then after that, we're probably gonna go take the carburetor off the, what do you call it, quad. And I'll get that ready for another video coming up soon. Because we said we finally got that Gyno Jet kit, which I think is, yep, it's over there. It's right there. So here's my Carolina Reapers. If you guys want to see a challenge of me a Carolina Reaper, I'm willing to do it. They're right here. So she's really ripe. Besides right there, she's a little longer. But if you guys want to see a challenge like that, I'm willing to do one of those challenges with someone. I'm not doing it by myself because I want someone at least feel my pain with me. But yeah, so let me go get this bucket filled up, get everything outside so I can start washing the car. I'm also gonna be doing the engine bay for a quick little wipe down. Hey guys, got the engine bay all cleaned up. Got her all cleaned up now. She's looking beautiful as can be. Got her up on jacks. We're doing her suspension. Long story short, her wheel bearings were bad. It sucked. She's all muddied. I took her out off-roading for my girlfriend's brother's birthday party, / birthday. And me and him in his truck, he's got his license. But took her, she took a hard hit, but she's good, she's always good. And then what I'm gonna be doing next is I'm gonna start working on her, getting her carburetor off. And I'm not gonna put that on video just because we already showed you guys it already, so I don't wanna keep repeating it. So just gonna get her carburetor off and then put it back together with the new dyno jets, and then we'll do a test run instantly. But other than that guys, just a quick video. There's nothing really going on right now. I was just cleaning up that car over there, and I'm not doing that till tomorrow. So other than that guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.